So I posted this picture of a very delicious ofe onubu today, and many people were writing or commenting like, wow, so you even know how to cook our food? And I was just laughing to myself because first of all, it wasn't me who cooked that soup. I just posted a picture of it because it looked so nutritious. I had to share it with you guys. But second of all, I was smiling because I actually do know how to cook ofe onubu. I know how to cook a lot of Igbo soups. I know how to cook egusi. I know how to cook okro. I know how to cook ofensala. The only soup I haven't tried to cook yet is oha soup because I hardly eat it when I'm in Nigeria, so I never really had the mind to do it, but I will definitely try it too. So I was just surprised, it's nothing, it's no big deal for me to cook my husband's food. It's a normal thing. We have been now 12 years, and being a wife to a man you love, you would always want to cook the food he likes. And of course, my husband loves Nigerian soups. So why would I not learn how to cook it? And it's not even difficult to cook. So yeah, I was just smiling a bit, and I thought I have to really come out and say that it wasn't me before everybody will be like, oh, this woman is taking somebody else's credit. No, I wasn't the one who cooked that soup, but still I do know how to cook all the Igbo soups you can think of. So yeah, just thought I'd share it here. There's people cooking Chinese food, they have never been to China. There's people cooking Indian food, they have never been to India. Why would I not know how to cook Igbo food when I have been to Ala Igbo so many times and when I'm married to Onyibo? It's normal. It's just natural thing to do. I even cooked that food before I started to eat it because I didn't like, for example, egusi soup. I didn't like it when I tasted it for the first time. To be honest, I really would have preferred to maybe eat something else. But since my husband loved it, I just put interest in it. I start to prepare it, and while preparing, I'll be tasting. So step by step, you get used to the flavor in your mouth, and then you start to love it. So yeah, just to say, I'm so happy. I get so many lovely comments, so much support, so much love from everybody. But this one was just a bit too much, I guess. It's really nothing special for me to cook Igbo food. And it wasn't even me who cooked it this time. So but it was delicious. And next time I cook, maybe ofe okra or ofe egusi, I'll make pictures. It's really no big deal. Trust me.